Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. If the United States of America were to default on its debt, holders of U.S. Treasury bonds will not be able to exercise their claims to receive payment. Statement 2. The USA government debt is not backed by any hard assets, but only by the faith of the government. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? A. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct and Statement 2 explains Statement 1. B. Both Statement 1 and Statement 2 are correct, but Statement 2 does not explain Statement 1. C. Statement 1 is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. Answer is option C. A syndicated loan is a substantial loan provided to a large borrower by several lenders together. Each lender in the lending group, syndicate, provides part of the total amount and shares part of the lending risk. 2. A syndicated loan may combine multiple loan types, fixed rate, floating rate, operating, demand, with different repayment terms. A pro rata tranche is a portion of a syndicated loan comprising two features, a revolving credit facility and an amortizing term loan. Revolving credit is a credit line that remains available even as you pay the balance. An amortized loan is a loan that requires the borrower to make scheduled, periodic payments applied to the principal and interest. In India, which of the following can trade in corporate bonds and government securities? 1. Insurance companies. 2. Pension funds. 3. Retail investors. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option D. All three categories listed, insurance companies, pension funds and retail investors, can trade in corporate bonds and government securities in India. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.